1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum.
My
My
name-
name is Sulaiman.
You're watching my show.
I'm watching my show.
My show is called I Love Allah.
I love Allah.
Do you love Allah?
Yeah.
Ask them. Do you love Allah?
Yeah.
No, Suleiman, you ask them. Suleiman, say, do you love Allah?
Yeah.
No, Suleiman, you ask them. Do you love Allah?
Yeah.
No. Ask, look in the camera and say, Suleiman, say, do you love Allah?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
You say it. Suleiman, you say it. Say the words. Do you love Allah?
No laughing.
No laughing. Okay, Lala, say, do you love Allah?
Yeah.
No. Lala, I want you to ask them. I want you to ask the people, do you love Allah?
Ask Daddy.
Ask me?
Yeah.
No, ask me. You ask me.
Sulaiman, tell Daddy, do you love Allah? Yeah, I do. Yeah.
No. Not Aliyah. Allah. Do you love Allah? Yeah? Okay, now you say it. Lala, you ask me, do I love Allah?
Yeah.
No, you ask me. Lala, ask me.
Sulaiman, say, do you love Allah? Say, do. Say, do.
No.
Okay, Lala, look at the camera. Okay, tell me something. Let me ask you something, Lala. Lala, let me ask you something.
No.
Okay, Lala, say, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
My name is Suleiman.
My name is Sulaiman.
Welcome to my show.
Welcome to my show.
I want to ask you,
I'm to ask you.
do you love Allah?
Yeah.
No. Just say, Suleiman, say, do you love Allah? Okay, tell Lala,